man, the problems persist. Found something kind of crazy. So I have a problem with the one of the main wires, power supply, coming from the under hood fuse panel that's located here, and the under dash fuse panel that's located up here in the front. So right here it says white 23 under hood. This is connector A. Connector A right here. White multi-fuse under hood right there. Here's B. Number 1, multi-fuse white under multi-fuse 23 under hood. Same one, same color. And this one, white blue, actually goes multi-fuse under hood. That was eliminated out of the system, but because it goes to power windows. But this one here does not go to multi-fuse under the hood, because right here, so remember, this is A2 white. Here it is, A2 white ignition switch. Talk about create a headache. So this actually created a major problem. I'd already cut one of the wires and fixing to switch it over whenever I found it, and you saw the question mark maybe on the paper because I wasn't sure what was going on, and finally figured it out. But man, these are the things that really, you know, can cause you a lot of problems. Let's just say that again. Can I stress? It can cause a lot of problems. So unfortunately, you do run into this. Manufacturers are not perfect. They don't make their drawings perfect. You just have to check and double check like I'm doing right now, and make sure it's all right. So of course I should have got it right to begin with, but I think that's what part of the problem was in the beginning. The reason why I had some wire issues in here that I found was the fact that they label the interior fuse panel and exterior fuse panel. The connectors on them are A. There's an A on one, there's an A on the other, and they almost look identical sometimes. They use the same color wire sometimes, and I just got some of them crossed between the under hood diagrams when I was looking at them versus the under dash. So I'm going to finish going through all these wires again and make sure they're all right. I got some green tie wraps, so those are all the ones that I've already checked and verified. The rest of them I've got left to do. The orange wires are something I got to connect later on. I've got to put a buck in there, which actually drops the voltage down to 6 volts for that. Then I can basically wrap all this up and then plug this fuse panel back in, and hopefully everything will work at that point in time. So anyway, I'm going to get back to it tomorrow because it's getting late. Appreciate you watching. You have a good one.